So hello, we are going to bake this sea bream today with potatoes, tomatoes, some mixed herbs, and sea salt in it, with a piece of ginger, bay leaves, half of red bell pepper, some black pepper here, and olive oil. And I've got this Pyrex platter that we are going to put the sea bream in, and we just have to put it in oven and bake it there for at least half an hour until the fish has been cooked and the potatoes is good enough for you. I like it a little bit toasted, so I tend to leave it in the oven for a few more minutes. So we'll show you the other steps of this one. Okay.
No playing.
Okay. We can actually put bacon on top as well, and just to add up some flavor. So I'm gonna slice some more bacon. So guys, as I said, you can add bacon on top as well. So I'm putting bacon on top. But this is optional, it's totally up to you. So just gonna just washing my hand because I touched the bacon. So I'm gonna put some more olive oil on top. So it has been 25 minutes now, so this is how the fish looks like. So I said you can put it for 30 minutes, but you have to check it in about 20 to 30 minutes because it might be overcooked. But yeah, but 20 minutes is good enough. It depends to your temperature with your oven anyway. But yeah, this is our finished cook of baked sea bream with potatoes and tomatoes. So let's try it out. Right. There you go. It's perfectly cooked, guys. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching.